I can raise my shoulder with pride and say I have the most beautiful and caring woman in the universe. You have quality attributes that most men are carving for in a woman, and I am blessed to have you in my life. You are caring, understanding, loving, and supportive. You have made me into a better man, whom I am proud of today. You know that I love you, right? Well, I do. Always have and always will. For as long as there's a breath in me, I will always cherish, respect, and love you. It's a beautiful thing to fall in love with someone as special and beautiful as you are, because I'd be a fool not to. My world is a perfect and beautiful place to live in because of you, my love. You are everything to me. You are simply the best for me, and I am glad to be with you. I love you dearly, beautiful. Even when I thought I was done with love, you came into my life and taught me how to love all over again. You didn't only teach me, but you also showed me with your unconditional love and care for me. And you also loved me when there's no reason to. Thanks, dear, for not leaving me to my ends. I love you beyond words, sweetheart. Regardless of all my imperfections and flaws, you still love me just the way I am. It's must have been benevolence to have found you and be with you, because it's hard finding someone as special, beautiful, and caring as you are. I must be one hell of a lucky man to have you, my baby. I love you more than you know. Hello, beautiful princess. Here's a quick reminder that I will spend my entire life adoring and tearing you like the presence you are and a queen in making. I will always cherish and treat you right, even until the end of time. I will always be there for you, wherever and whenever you need me. I love you always, more, one and only. Everything that I had and I will ever have revolves around you, my love. So I am uncontent my lifetime to always make you feel better and stronger and happier than ever before. I vow to be the best, caring and loving and understanding man you have always seen in me and wanted me to be. I love you so much, more than you could ever imagine. You have changed my world for the better with your unconditional love and cared for me. I love everything about you, baby. You have added so much value and meaning to my life with your words of wisdom and encouragement, as you always inspire me to be a better person each and every day. You know that I love you right well. I do. Ever since we met and end up falling in love with you, I have been living in a world which I could only have fantasized about without you. My dearest, you have changed my entire perspective about love with the way you are. You care and love me unconditionally, and I promise to love you twice as much. I love you tenderly, my love. It's not possible for me to stay a day without telling you how much I love you and how much you mean to me, because for me to live beautifully is you. You are the woman behind the realization of all my dreams. I am blessed to have you, because without you, I don't know who or where I would be today. I love you so much, my one and only.